Google Sheets is a widget within the Fusion Signage Designer, allowing you to link a Google Sheets page to your content. We have a full support article detailing exactly how to set up this integration, including how to generate the API key. I'll just quickly demonstrate how to use the widget once all of these details are set up. Once you have your API key as well as your spreadsheet ID from your Google Sheets page, you're going to head to a design, click Dynamic Widgets and Google Sheets, and from here click the Google Sheet config button, paste in your API key and your spreadsheet ID, and that will link to your Google Sheet document and pull the data across. From here you have to ensure the sheet name matches the name on your Google Sheet document, and then you fill in the details for the column and row of the cell that you want the data to pull across from. Once this is all set up, when you make changes to the Google Sheet document, you can update your messages or pricing without having to log into your Fusion Signage account and republish your designs.